Hello guys, welcome to day 3 of our design challenge. So today we'll be creating this amazing flyer which you can see on your screen right now. So without further ado, let's dive into the design. So guys, click on this icon, go to image size, change your width to 1022, then leave your height at 1280. Then click on OK. Now let's import the background of the design. This is the background. Now stretch it. Make sure it covers your workspace. Okay. Copy it. Delete the one behind. And bring this other one to this other side. Look at the way I am placing the background. So make sure you place it this way so you can replicate it the way I did. Then click on this icon. Lock it. Now let's bring in the image of our barrister. This is the image. Click on your good icon, stretch it, then place it here. Click on copy, delete the one behind, then place this other one here. Okay, beautiful. Let's write the following. Go to your A icon, click on text, go to edit it, write special invitation, click on OK, bring it here, then go to color, give it a black color, then go to font. We'll be using a peculiar font called Scanner. Beautiful. Then reduce it a little, place it here. Go to spacing, let's space the letters. Okay, this is okay. So click on the good icon, reduce it. Yes, make sure you reduce it. Then place it here for now. And there's something else I want us to import. This other picture. Yes, click on your good icon, reduce it, then place it here, reduce it again. I think this is okay. Sorry about that. Lock this. Okay, now let's import that right up. Call to. So guys, I've already worked on this. I don't want this tutorial video to be long. Now guys, the next thing we need to do is to bring in the grid line. So place it here. Remove this other one. Remove this. Remove this too. So we're left with one of these. Now the next thing we need to import is the word bar. So this is the word bar. Don't worry, you are going to have access to the design resources as long as you are a member of our community. So reduce it. So place it here for now. Okay. Then go to your A icon, go to text, go to edit. Let's write the word ceremony. So bring it down. Go to your color. So pick the black color, beautiful. Then go to font. The font that we're going to use is orthography. Yes, that's the name of the font. Stretch it. Don't worry, stretch it. Stretch it again. Then place it here. Okay. This is okay. Reduce it a little. Okay, this is good. Then let's bring in the word in honor of. Click on the special invitation, copy it, then go to edit. In honor of. Bring it down, then place it here. Reduce it a little, place it here. Okay, and let's bring in that shape. This is the shape I'm talking about. Reduce it. Reduce it again. So guys, after you've reduced it, go to opacity, reduce the opacity a little. Okay, click on your good icon. This is okay. Then go to import. So this is her name. I've already worked on this. I don't want this tutorial video to be long, so I took my time to work on this. So take it to the other side. Bring it down a little. So click on this, copy, and delete this other one. Okay, bring it down a little. Beautiful. Now let's import the next picture. Okay, this is the picture I'm talking about. So bring it down. So place it here. Let's stretch it. So stretch it again. Copy it. Delete this one. Then bring this one here. Then bring this here. Okay. Click on this icon, lock it. Make sure everything is locked. Then for this box, copy it. Then lock this one. Highlight this other one. Bring it down. Just follow me. Okay. Stretch it. Stretch it. Then place it here. Take it up a little. Okay. Then copy it, delete this other one. Then bring it here. Okay, this is okay. Take away the grid line. Yes. Now go to opacity. Make sure you increase the opacity. Beautiful. Go to your A icon. Let's write the following. So this is the venue, body of benchers. So click on your good icon, bring it down, reduce it, then place it here. Bring back the grid line. Go to font. Go to recent. We'll be using Montserrat semi-bold. Let's use Montserrat bold. Okay. Let's use Montserrat semi-bold. So highlight the text. Go to the size, reduce it. Okay, this is okay. Then go to position, bring it down a little, copy it, then go to edit. Be writing close to EFCC headquarters, Abuja. So bring it and place it here. Now go to font. We'll be using Montserrat Medium. Okay. So let's zoom in so that we can see what we are doing. So guys, we've zoomed in. Go to position. Take it up a little. Okay, this is okay. Let's zoom out. And the next thing we need to import is the location icon. So click on OK. Don't reduce it. Go to relative position, bring it down. Then go to position. This video is getting long. I don't want this video to be long. It's alright. I believe you guys are gaining value from the video. So reduce it. Beautiful. Now let's zoom in. So let's position the location icon. Okay. Okay, this is okay. Now the next thing we need to bring in is the date. So guys, sorry I had to pause the video because I didn't want the video to be too long. Yes, the duration of the video is getting too long. So guys, we are done writing the venue, the time and the date of the event. Now there's one last thing we need to do. Go to shapes. Okay. Then click on your good icon. Bring it down. Move it. Okay, move it again. This is okay. Go to relative size to reduce it. Okay, now go to position, move it, get it up, move it again, bring it down a little. This is okay. So click on it, duplicate it, go to relative position, move it down, then go to position. Sorry about that, take it up. Let's make it fast. Okay, so take it up, move it to this side, bring it down, and move it a little, take it up. So guys, we are done with this tutorial video. Make sure you adjust your time and the time icon. I'm in a hurry, that's why it's looking like this. Better still, let me finish it up. So guys, as you can see, I've adjusted it. So this was how I created this amazing call to bar flyer. Guess what? I was the one that created this design and my client paid me well. One thing you should know as a graphic designer is this: good designs attract potential clients. What did I say? Good design attract potential clients. So do well to scale up your skill. And one of the things this design challenge will do for you is to help you revamp and refine your skill. So if you know that you got value from this video, do well to give it a like so that YouTube can recommend it to others. And don't forget to share, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when I upload the next tutorial video for day 4. Thank you so much.